I'm here on the show floor at CES, where we're at the Ring booth. And here on this door is the Door View Cam. It's Ring's 5th video doorbell, but what's interesting about this one is that it actually replaces the peephole in your doorbell. So it's perfect for renters who might have issues with installing one of Ring's battery-operated or wired doorbells. If you take a look at it, on the top here, this is actually the peephole. So if we were to look at this through the other side, we would see the view from a regular peephole. Here in the middle is the camera, and then here is actually the button somebody, like a visitor, would push in order to ring the doorbell from inside. Now what's neat about this is that it actually has blackout areas. So if you, say, don't want to get your neighbor across the hallway opening the door and getting constant motion alerts, you can black that area out and just get what you want to see to avoid the constant motion alerts. The doorbell also has an impact sensor. So if somebody's trying to push open the door forcefully, you would get a motion alert. So the nice thing about all of Ring's video doorbell cams is they work with all of Amazon Alexa's smart displays. So if you have an Echo Show or an Amazon Echo Spot, you can actually answer the doorbell from those devices. This is what the video doorbell looks like from the owner's perspective. And you can see that it's pretty easy to install. You just attach the 2 pieces on each side of the doorbell. And you'll still have your peephole right here that you can look through and see who's knocking at your door. One of the reasons Ring created this doorbell camera is to address the needs of renters who might not have the ability to add a battery-powered or wireless doorbell to their home. The nice thing about all of Ring's products is that it comes with all of the hardware that you need to install it, and it's all very simple. The Door View Cam will be available sometime this year for $199.